Yo, 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 yo. Good morning, good evening, good night, everybody. How you doing? My name is Slime, and I am your designated Renko trader. Yay! With that being said, I am here to teach you guys how to trade Renkos efficiently and simply. That way you can learn to trade quickly. All the leads at the end. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you're old to the channel, you can do the whole thing too. Alright. Today, I think I dropped a bunch of wrinkle videos, right? Because that's all I trade. But getting more into the teaching, and I want to explain wrinkles to beginners. So if you already know this, you don't really gotta watch this. But if you don't know how to trade Renkos, then let's make it easy for you. Alright? So check me out. I got some notes, and then ChatGPT helped me. So we just finna go ahead and read them joints, alright? Most people trade using candlesticks. I wouldn't say most people. 90% of people trade using candlesticks. Candlesticks are time-based display version of price. You feel me? To give you a visual, these are candlesticks, right? That's for another video. Pay no mind. Okay. Renkos is different because Renkos don't care about time. It only cares about when price move. Okay? So, let's break that down. Right now, let's go to your 15th minute. What does the 15-minute mean? The 15-minute means every one of these candles that you see on the screen represent 15 minutes, right? So what that means is in 15 minutes worth of time, price opened here and shot down a little bit here and shot up here within 15 minutes. You get me? Okay, just making sure you following. Renkos don't use time. Renko's is price based. This is my 10 tick chart or my 10 brick chart. What that means is every one of these bricks represents 10 ticks, or they should. What is a Renko brick? A Renko brick only prints when price moves a certain number of points, or ticks, or pips if you trade Forex. If price doesn't move far enough, nothing prints. You feel me? Why does Renko's look so clean? Renko's move small back and forth movements. That's why the chart looks smoother. Along with the fact that time doesn't exist in the Renko charts. So if you're on a brick chart, if price doesn't move 10, 20, 30 bricks, however much you set it to, then you won't get a brick change. As opposed to candles, where everything, since it moves within time, it prints on time based. So whether it goes up for 5 minutes, down for 5 minutes, that's what you're going to see, the noise. Renkos filter all of the noise. You get me? Cool. Why should traders use Renkos? Cleaner trends. You feel me? This is your 15 minute. This looks like a range. When you come over to Renko's, this is the same thing, but you could have capitalized on something that looked like a range that wasn't a range. You could have just caught the buy up. Feel me? Easier to see structure. As far as highs, lows, and everything goes, I can go, okay, all these points down here equals support. Renko's help with patience, depending on your strategy. If I tell you that all you have to do is wait for an M or a W to place your trade, would you believe me? That's my strategy. I come, I wait, W, push up, W, push up, M, push down, W, push up, W, push up, M, push down. You feel me? W, push up, W, push up, M, push down. So if I told you all you had to do was wait for whatever looks like a M and take it, whatever looks like a W and take it, how simple would that be? It's all about just waiting for the right pattern to show up. With that being said, it also gives you fewer emotional trades and it helps guide you in the right direction. Like if you were someone to trade twice, you could have caught this sell down around 12:30 and then the buy up around 110. So realistically, you would have caught your two trades almost within 2 hours. It don't make Renkos don't make you smarter. It makes you calmer. It makes your setups more cleaner. It makes you more relaxed. What does Renkos not do? Renkos don't predict. We're not in the business of predicting. We're in the business of waiting for our proper setups and reacting. Doesn't tell you the future. It just gives you a gentle nudge on what could possibly happen. It shows price movements in the most cleanest way possible. Right? Guys, I just wanted to give you guys a brief little 1-2 on Renko's, nothing too long. At the end of the day, here's my motto for everybody. You might hear me keep repeating this on videos. We take simplicity over complexity, we take clarity over prediction, and we take discipline over tools. If you like what you heard today, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, you can like, share, subscribe, and follow. If you're old to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and show somebody this video so you can, teach them about Renkos. You feel me? That being said, I bid you guys adieu.